the inside of Shuri Castle after the fire. So this is what you're looking at here. For those of you that are familiar, that is what's left. All that's in the black bag there, black bags, are remnants that they have been able to save. So the castle part was about 2 or 3 times higher than what you're seeing here. This is the front door that I just showed you, which is right here. All the side buildings have burnt down. And what they say is the electrical wiring is what caused the fire. And when I was here 11 years ago, it's funny, I commented to my wife about how shoddy the electrical wiring was. And they've lost a national treasure because of it. You can see parts here that they salvaged. These are parts of the dragons, and you can see the platforms right there and there where the dragons were. They're trying to restore them. So here are the dragons, and a shot of the inside. They're in here cleaning parts of the stuff they were able to save off to try to put it back up.